Troubled by scrap vehicle processing. ENERPAT Car Baler Machine. Efficient recycling and worry-free. Suitable for scrap cars, steel, usable outdoors without power. 5,000 to 1,000 millimeters extra large feed opening. Whole vehicle feeding, diesel power, stable and durable. 150 tons high-pressure cold extrusion, bale size 850,650 millimeters. 3 global service centers. ENERPAT makes recycling more efficient.